Welcome guys to another video from the Computing Assistant, and we are here at the Digit Tech Day event. And as you can see that we are at the place where all the phones have been kept, right from the Samsung ones, and all the major companies are out there, the premium phones. We have with us Subrojit sir, who will tell us about the OnePlus 7 Pro, which was announced recently and which got a lot of hype for the mechanical cameras and all those things and the buttery smooth screen. So sir, let us start with the specs of the phone.
So here's the OnePlus 7 Pro, and it is OnePlus's most premium smartphone yet. So what you get inside is, of course, a Snapdragon 855 processor, 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage. And the 256 GB of storage that you get is UFS 3.0, which is like the latest storage standards in the smartphone industry, right? And on top of that, you have this gorgeous looking display. It's a 2K HDR certified display, and it has 90 Hz of refresh rate. So what does 90 Hz of refresh rate get you? So all these animations and all your transitions and everything will feel a lot smoother, right? So if you use an older OnePlus 6T and if you use a OnePlus 7 Pro, the difference, the OnePlus 6T did feel very fast, but the OnePlus 7 Pro feels very smooth, even more than what the OnePlus 6T offered. So that's your 90 Hz refresh rate at play. So what it basically does, it gives you a 90 frames per second. The display is capable of rendering 90 frames per second, right? So this is more or less about the display. You've talked about what's inside the phone. Now let's get into the camera. So we have here with us a pop-up camera. It's a selfie pop-up camera with 16 megapixel sensor inside. On the back, you see this time there's not one, not two, but three separate cameras. So one is your 48 MP camera, which is a Sony IMX586 sensor. It's a half-inch sensor size, which gives you a lot more surface area for your pixels to absorb more light and give you a better photo on paper. And then you have an ultra-wide lens and another telephoto lens, which can go up to 3x in optical zoom. That's what OnePlus claims. But from what we have found out, that 3x is not really the same as, say, the 3x on the P30 Pro or the Oppo Reno 10X. And that's because the focal lengths are, the 3x is actually calculated all the way from your wide angle to your telephoto. So that makes it an effective range of 3x, right? But other than that, the OnePlus 7 Pro will feel like almost all of those flagships that are due to come out. Yes, there are some deep-seated optimizations inside that makes OnePlus 7 Pro feel like very smooth. Oh, it also has a 4000 mAh battery inside, and it has the same warp charge that came with the OnePlus 16 McLaren edition, right? So it can top up the phone with 30 watts of fast charging, and from what we have seen, it can do a full charge in about less than an hour, right? So this is your OnePlus 7 Pro. It starts at 48,999 and goes all the way up to 57,999. And yeah, that's everything you have to know about the OnePlus 7 Pro.
Okay, sir, as you told that the pricing of the OnePlus 7 devices have been increasing steadily over the years,
yes,
and now it is a premium phone rather than the mid-range budget phone. So what do you think about the value for money that you are getting from this device?
See, the price is increasing, of course, but so are the feature set, right? It's not like the OnePlus 7 Pro is exactly the same as your OnePlus 6T, but with a higher price. For the higher price, you're getting a 2K HDR 90 Hz display, which is unmatched right now. The only phone that offers HDR 10 Plus is your Galaxy S10e, S10 Plus, and S10. Right, but the S10e, which is around the same price range as your OnePlus 7 Pro, but it has a smaller screen, it has a lesser battery, so all those compromises are there. This, on the other hand, is very well-rounded in my opinion. I have used it for quite some time now, and I feel there is a lot of value proposition in this device despite its price getting higher. But if you feel that this device is a little more expensive, a little over your budget, there's of course the OnePlus 7, which now has a lower starting price than your OnePlus 6T when it came out first time, right? So there OnePlus has sort of brought down your entry price into the OnePlus ecosystem. But then here's another premium device from OnePlus. If you are tired of all your budget flagships and all the compromises that makes, then you have this option as well. So it's more choice for your consumers, and yeah, price is increased, but so has the value.
And sir, what about the gaming performance on these phones? Like
This
more and
is
more
a
phones are
gaming
moving on, sir, like the Fortnite, the PUBG Mobile.
Right, so
Sir,
PUBG Mobile, Fortnite, and all these games will give you like the peak frame rate supported by these games. On PUBG, you get a flat 40 FPS frame rates with around 99 to 100% stability. We have tested out games that have hit 60 FPS as well with almost 99-98% stability. So you can rest assured that if you are into gaming, the OnePlus 7 Pro won't disappoint you, especially with the display and the processing power inside.
okay, sir, tell us about the speakers on this phone. Like many a times when you are using the phone, we prefer the onboard speakers. And we are not in the habit like if you have stereo speakers on the phone, then most of the people while watching content would use them rather than the headphones.
So it's probably one of the loudest loudspeakers that we have seen on a phone. So there's a speaker here and there's another speaker here. They work in tandem in a stereo setup to give you almost, very quite rich and premium sound out of this phone. So the only phones that probably come close to the level of volume and the sound quality are probably the iPhones and your Galaxy phones right now.
Okay, sir, one more thing I wanted to ask that for an all-screen display, many of the companies are adopting this motorized camera approach. The selfie camera pops up. What are your views on that, about the longevity of these devices?
I think this was your logical step forward to reduce your screen bezel size and everything. But then, of course, durability concerns, right? If you have to use the device for more than 2 years, I don't even know whether these modules are capable of lasting more than 2 years. Of course, OnePlus and every other company that's giving you a pop-up camera will advertise claiming that 100,000 or some million unlocks can be done with the unit and the module, but it's always a question of doubt. And more than that, since this is a mechanical part and there will be holes and everything, so there's more chances of getting water damage inside. And OnePlus still doesn't give you water damage guarantee or IP rating or anything so far, right? And plus, it's a pop-up camera, which means there can be moments and situations if you're using face unlock on this phone, the pop-up camera can rise up inside your pocket and that might damage the module, right? So there are trade-offs and everything, but look at the design. It looks really cool. Right?
So that was Subhrojit sir for a video for the computing assistant. Subscribe to our channel, guys, and keep watching for more such awesome tech content. We will cover many more devices here. You can see all the phones laid on the table. So we will cover these also. Thank you.